I am delighted to sign this MOU. Information dissemination is the first part for the farmers today. The farm practices have improved a lot, and the climate becomes a little unpredictable nowadays. Now, there is no defined period of raining and defined period of cropping arising now. The rains are getting delayed, and there are in-between rains which are spoiling the crop also when the flowering season comes up, when the harvesting season comes up. So the update information on how to face these problems is absolutely essential for the farmers. Of course, DD Doordarshan has done a tremendous job in this area. Location-wise they have identified, but still it is on a state-wise basis. When they talk about the advice to the farmers, it is for the Andhra Pradesh as a whole. But Andhra Pradesh as a whole is not a single geography. What's happening in Rayalaseema is completely different from what is happening in Kakinada. So there are specific information required about the rain situation and about the crop situation, about the influence of other pesticide and other things, which is absolutely required, and which this system will definitely disseminate because of the information available to them. Farmers will be in a position to get this information and take appropriate preventive as well as corrective action to see that the crops are protected and improve the yield. This initiative is a good initiative. I remember ITC e-Chopal has started such a similar initiative in their kiosk, but the farmer has to go to the kiosk to get this information. In this model, you sit at home and through a cell phone you are able to access this information without any cost to the farmer. So that is a great advantage of it. Information reaches you on a daily basis on the assessment of the crop and the crop situation. I think it's a great value addition provided by IFFCO along with Andhra Bank. I wish that this must go a long way, and Raitu should use it to a large extent and benefit out of it. Wish you all the best. Thank you.